On to this now. Phakamisa Elderly hosted its 80 to 90 years appreciation day on Friday at the Vliehof Recreation Centre Hall this morning, celebrating senior citizens under the theme Wisdom, Grace and Golden Years. The event honoured elderly women through tributes, testimonies, home screenings or other health screenings, music and financial literacy sessions. Organisers say the aim was to ensure seniors feel seen, loved and valued, with a strong message that elders remain living legends in society.
So sikhombelelanga le 22 zaka May ukuthi siba appreciate bonke ogogo because kwi-organization yethu senza i-active aging abogogo laba abajimayo, siphinde futhi senze i-community home based care ne-caregivers zethu ezibangenele ezindlini. So most of the time they don't feel loved by the society or all those things, since there's this lento elderly abuse. So today senzele event also as a part of awareness here to prevent elderly abuse. So sizoba appreciate futhi ukuthi ba feel loved and be taken care of.
Meanwhile, elders in Vliehof are calling for greater love and appreciation from the community, saying they carry valuable knowledge as well as wisdom. They say the Phakamisa Elderly Organisation has created a safe space where they feel seen as well as supported.
Babongwe ngendumezulu yomcimbi ogogo abaneminyaka engama-80 kuya kwayisishiyagalolunye ubudala ngoLwesihlanu. Lo mcimbi obanjwe inhlangano engenzi inzuzo ezinze eVliehof, iPhakamisa Elderly, ngokubambisana nezinhlaka ezahlukene, ithi-ke abantu abadala babalulekile emphakathini.
Kubalulekile ukuthi i-community yazi ngokuvikela abantu abadala because into i-community kuzogogo babe protected. So thina i-aim yethu ukuthi each and every community abantu bonke bazi, i-youth, abantu abadala bazi nge-elderly abuse, njengoba sesive kakhulu kwiminyaka edlulile ukuthi abanye ogogo nomkhulu babulawa kususpectwa indaba yokuthi mhlambe kunezifo challenges abaye babe nazo ogogo, dementia, maybe ebusuku bayavuka bayahamba ezonto zinjalo. So kuye kususpecteke ukuthi abantu abanjalo banobu witchcraft.
Kusenjalo kube sekunxuswa umphakathi ukuba unakekele abantu abadala.
Nathi siyaya apho ngoku sifunde izinto eziningi kubo. Kwalokho sibona uba nabo make sibabonisa uba siyabathanda, siyabadinga, ngoba kwesinye isikhathi abantu abadala banakwa, babekelwa le manje siyabadinga ene siyakhuluma nabo, sifuna ukuthi nabo bangasabi. Ekubeni umuntu endimncoma kakhulu Pheni, umphathi wethu, lo muntu unothando kwabo gogo, sidibene kanje ule thando lwakhe.
Event ya today ebele right re ratile bothata ba yona go gore re tlo go rotloetsa bogogo ba ba ma 80 to 90 ba eleng gore re ba kaela gore re really ra ba appreciate mo community, ba re file botlhale, ba re file tsotlhe re so ka baka la bone. Re kopa ba tswelele re ba rate, ba bone le gore re a ba rata, ga re ba latlhela fela ko matlong, because most of them they just think that they've been abandoned into the house, no one is looking after them. But now today we want to show them so that they must know and they must go back home happy and joyful. That's nice.
Labo sinabo namhlanje ngithi kuba abakhule nalabo abasenze abazemva kwethu abakhule nabo babone lento esiyenzelo gogo, bayijabulele nabo njengoba bejabulile namhlanje.
Lo mcimbi uqhakambise iqhaza elibanjwa ngezaguga emphakathini, ikakhulukazi njengoba izona ezimisa amakhaya isikhathi esiningi. Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV, ngikunokulunga Mthembu, ngiseVliehof.